In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Microsoft list. Whether you're decluttering your workspace or just need to get rid of a list you no longer use, I've got you covered with this quick and easy step-by-step process. To begin, the first thing you need to do is open your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or whichever one you like to use. Once your browser is open, head over to your search bar and type in Microsoft Lists. Hit Enter and click on the official Microsoft Lists website from your search results. This will direct you to the home page where you can manage your lists. Now, once you're on the home page, look towards the top right corner of your screen. Here, you will see a Sign In option. Go ahead and click on that. If you have an existing Microsoft 365 account and are already signed in on your browser, you might automatically be signed into Microsoft Lists. But if you aren't logged in yet, just type in your Microsoft email address and follow it with your password. Make sure you enter the correct details to ensure a smooth login. Having successfully logged in, you're now ready to dive into your Microsoft Lists. Navigate to the Lists section where you should see all the lists you've created or have access to. The task now is to locate the specific list you want to delete. Take your time to locate it amidst your potentially many lists. Once you've found it, you're just a few steps away from getting it removed. The next step is to click on the three dots you'll find next to the list. This icon is often referred to as the More Options menu. Once you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to select the Settings option. This page is where you can manage various aspects of your list, from permissions to specific settings, and most importantly, it's where you can delete it. On the Settings page, look for an option that says Delete this list. Click on it carefully. Once you press this, a confirmation dialog box will pop up. This step is crucial because it ensures that you truly want to delete the list, guarding against any accidental deletion. Within this confirmation dialog, you'll need to affirm your choice by selecting OK. This action will finalize the deletion, and your list will be permanently removed from Microsoft Lists. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully deleted a Microsoft list. Remember, this action cannot be undone, so double-check before you confirm that you're deleting the correct list. Thank you for watching today's video, and feel free to subscribe for more useful tutorials and tech tips just like this one.